The human eye is an essential organ in the body since it not only provides us with our sense of sight but also enables us to engage with the world around us. Because of their vulnerability, your eyes require special care and attention from you at all times. It is critical that you give them this. Foods like fruits and vegetables are good for your eyes and can help to prevent night blindness and vision problems like cataracts and glaucoma and preserve your eyesight for as long as possible due to the chemical compounds that are found in them. Taking care of your eyes requires that you maintain a healthy diet. In this video we will educate you on the 4 vegetables that are good for your eyes and can also prevent night blindness. These vegetables are included on the list of foods that can prevent night blindness. 1. Broccoli. Broccoli has been found to contain a powerful antioxidant, which, according to a study, can halt the progression of blindness. Researchers have discovered that the naturally occurring antioxidant sulforaphane that can be found in broccoli and broccoli sprouts can protect the eye from the potentially damaging effects of ultraviolet light. 2. Carrots. Carrots include potent antioxidants known as beta-carotene and lutein, both of which can help protect your eyes from the damage caused by free radicals and keep your eyes healthy and clear. The body converts the antioxidant beta-carotene into vitamin A, which helps to prevent night blindness, which is caused by a lack of vitamin A. Night blindness is caused by a deficiency in vitamin A. In addition, the formation of rhodopsin, the light-sensitive, reddish-purple pigment that is found in your eye cells and is responsible for your ability to see in the dark, requires vitamin A. Carrots contain lutein, an antioxidant that helps protect against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a disorder that can cause vision loss or gradual blurring over time. 3. Collard greens. There is a high concentration of the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin in these green leafy vegetables. In addition to vitamin A, which research has shown to play an important role in the process of vision, there is some evidence to suggest that the consumption of foods rich in antioxidants can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and diabetic retinopathy. According to a study, a 57% reduction in the chance of developing glaucoma was also associated with eating collard greens once a week or more. 4. Kale. Each cup of raw kale is packed with nutrients like vitamins, potassium, calcium, and copper. All of your vitamin A, C, and K needs for the day can be satisfied by eating just this one vegetable. The carotenoid antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in kale, are related to vitamin A and beta-carotene, and may protect ocular tissues from UV damage and reduce the risk of aging-related changes in the eyes.